If you're somebody who is struggling to grow sales in your business, then this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, you're going to learn on how you can automate your sales process. Hi everyone, I'm Kewal Kishan, India's leading business automation coach and founder of Automate Business. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In my previous tutorials, you learned how can you automate your team management using task delegation, leave and attendance automation. In today's tutorial, let's train you on how can you automate your sales process as well. Now, awesome to see all the students who have subscribed the channel and who keep watching our tutorials. But if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to get valuable videos every week. So let's see on how Automate Sales application work and how it help you to automate your entire sales process. Now, Grant Cardone, one of the biggest sales trainer in the world, he says sales is the game of follow-ups. So fortune is in the follow-ups. But if you don't have any CRM application, you cannot take systematic follow-up from your clients on email, on WhatsApp. And another challenge which business owners face is they end up building a sales team, but they don't use a CRM system in which they can track all the inquiries coming from referral, BNI, India Mart, Trade India, Facebook, and because of which they are not able to grow their sales. So let's first of all learn on how this application works. Here we shall go to the application firstly called Automate Leads. This is the application where you can create your own sales funnel which can have multiple stages like this. Let's say you are into real estate business. Then you can create a pipeline like this, which says, okay, new inquiry is coming. Now this new inquiry can come from your referral, right? You or your teammate can quickly fill this lead generation form. Or if this new inquiry is coming from India Mart or 99 Acres or even Facebook ad, it can directly come into this as an inquiry into this software. And after that, let's say the next stage could be location visit, right? So whenever you are getting the inquiry in this system, you can automatically assign it to one of your sales executive. And one of your sales executive, when open this, they can easily see on what exactly is that contact's detail, and the teammate can directly create a follow-ups and WhatsApp and email. I'll tell everything about this application to you. But let's say your teammate calls the client and client said, okay, let's have location visit. So your teammate can directly pick this inquiry and put it into the next stage. Awesome. Now this is called Kanban view, where you're seeing inquiries stage by stage. Okay, few inquiries in new inquiry stage, 3 inquiries in location visit, 4 inquiries in the proposal stage, 3 inquiries in the negotiation stage. Now this is how you can create your own custom pipeline. Let's say you're into manufacturing. You can have a pipeline like this, inquiry, proposal, negotiation, production planning, shipping, delivery. And again, if you're into another business, you can have a customized pipeline like that. Now you're wondering, Kewal, how can we create this kind of pipeline automatically through system? That's where you have this option of customizing this CRM according to your requirement. So whenever I click on this, here the first thing which I get is customize. I can click on this and here I can get the option of creating a pipeline for my business. All right. So let's say your business, your company is XYZ. All right. And you want to create a sales funnel according to your business. Clear? Now this is where you can first of all define, okay, whenever I generate any inquiry, what are the stages that inquiry go through? All right. So let's say new inquiry, that's the first stage. Then your teammate calls the inquiry and confirms whether they have a proper need which you can fulfill. So let's say second stage could be qualified, that they are a qualified inquiry. Third stage could be, let's say you gather requirement. All right, requirement gathering stage. Fourth stage, let's say could be you want to send a proposal to them. All right, proposal or quotation. Next stage could be, let's say, negotiation, right? And let's say if this deal is done, then we can say, okay, we have received the purchase order or the deal is done. Or if the client has gone to somebody else, then the deal is lost and we can choose thumbs down and it could be in red color. And even after that, let's say you say, okay, when the PO is received, After that, you want to have a stage of the order processing, or let's say client onboarding, right? That could be another stage. Now, when I click on this add pipeline, automatically your company's custom pipeline has been created here. So you can see at the bottom, XYZ sales funnel has been created, and here you can see this, and even you can change these stages, their sequence, just by drag and drop, right? You say, okay, Kewal, I want to edit one stage. You can just click on this edit, or you can even add a new stage here, or you can even edit any of the stages which you can see right now here. Now here you might see there are some other pipelines also which you can see in the system. So these are all pipeline that I created to give you an example. But the best part, in this automate sales software, you can manage the pipeline for multiple categories or even for multiple businesses. Let's say you can have one pipeline for manufacturing business, one pipeline for real estate, one pipeline for coaching, right? And here, to help you get started, we have created the pipeline templates for all these industries: e-commerce, education, financial consultants. Let's have a look at the financial consultant pipeline. Whenever I click on the I button here, you can see new inquiry, contacted, interested, qualified, discovery. Another one, let's say the real estate one. Here again, a new inquiry, site visit, negotiation, attorney review, paperwork, quotation, and then if won, then project planning begins. Right? Again here, software sales. Again, these are the stages which can be created. So what we have done, we have created some business templates here, which you can, if according to your business, you can just choose, pick and choose, and just click on this copy and get them added here without you even creating this pipeline manually. Now I have added this XYZ sales funnel here. Now here, this I can see when I click on this pipeline button, I can see here this option XYZ. You can see here now, new inquiry, qualified, requirement gathering, proposal, negotiation, PO received, lost, won, and client onboarding. So how is it? Are you enjoying this tutorial? So this is how easy it is to create the custom pipeline. Now you say, Kewal, I have inquiries coming from India Mart, Trade India, Facebook, 99 acres. How do these inquiries come into this system? That's where again I'll go back to the settings tab. And this is where we can click on the integration. When you say click on the integration, you can see here we have ready-made integrations given here. Let's say if you are using India Mart, you can just add your registered mobile number. You can add your India Mart key, which our team, when you start your journey on one-to-one onboarding call, my team sets up this entire system according to your business. And then here even you can choose that if inquiry is coming from India Mart, which exact pipeline that inquiry should go. And within that pipeline, which particular stage that inquiry should go into, then you can save it. Again, similar integration with Trade India. And we have opened the API, so even if you have generating inquiries from Google Form or Facebook ads or 99 acres or any other online platform through tools like Pabbly, all those inquiries from Google Form, from your website, from Facebook ad, from 99 acres can directly automatically come into your custom sales funnel that you can create here. Let's say you have this pipeline and you get a referral from your network, from your client, you or your teammate, right? A client has just said to retail, okay, this is my friend who want to take your products. What will you do? You can just open the mobile app, click on the lead, and here you can choose quickly the pipeline, right? You can write which stage that particular inquiry will go into. What is the requirement of that client? You can just add the lump sum idea around it. Let's say you said, okay, this client wants 3 BHK, apartment. All right, you can write some description around it. You can choose which product the customer is interested in. So here you can even add your products, or you can add your service-based or product-based, complete listing can be done here, right? So here we have chosen like, okay, this product this client is interested in. So you can add your custom products and a list will come here. Here you can choose, okay, what is the detail of that client? If you have not added that customer of that inquiry ever, you can just click on this plus button and you can add the details of that customer. First name, last name, email address, which country that customer is from, right? And then what is their WhatsApp number, their state, their city, PIN code, and even date of birth and date of anniversary. If you get that in this system will set automated birthday and anniversary wishes from this automation system. So what I'll do, I'll just go ahead with one sample detail here. This is where you can even add the estimate amount. Okay, how big is this deal? Let's say 5 lakh rupees. What should be the lead closure date? You can even choose. Okay, I think this lead can be closed by, let's say, 6th of this month. You can even choose. Okay, has this lead come from BNI or from Facebook, or somebody contacted you on YouTube, right, or any other source, or LinkedIn? Here you can click on this plus button and you can manage all the sources from which you are generating inquiries in your business. Let's say we can add LinkedIn as well, right? So you can even choose that as well. Okay, now this is where you can assign this to your teammate, right? You can assign, okay, this is the inquiry which this teammate need to handle. You can choose that, and once you give that inquiry to that teammate, here you can even attach any kind of documentation. Let's say the inquiry has shared some requirements, that's an online Google Doc or something. You can add that any kind of document link here, or you can even upload the PDF or Excel or any kind of document directly in this particular system. Now 3, 2, 1, I have assigned the lead, and the teammate I have assigned the lead to, they get an automated WhatsApp. Here you can see this is the client name, Kewal Kishan, and it is assigned to Gaurav. The target date to close this deal is 6th of September. Now it might be the case that teammate could not close the date up to that target date, but at least teammate know that, okay, I have 2 weeks to close this deal. Now teammate gets a WhatsApp, teammate can open this application on his mobile app, and when teammate clicks on this, the teammate can see the entire detail of that particular inquiry. What is this requirement, and what are the amount, what is the description, company detail, client detail. The teammate can even click on this tag option and tag this inquiry. Is it an inquiry which is really interested, or is it inquiry who needs this product urgently? So this tagging helps your teammate in filtering out all the inquiries. Let's say here if we had 1000 inquiries, if your teammate or your sales team has done some tagging, you can do some filtration as well. Even if you have like 1000 inquiries here, you as a business owner can filter the inquiry company wise, source wise. Okay, the inquiries come from referral, how many inquiries have come from BNI, right? Or let's say stage wise, or even tag wise as well. Let's say I want to choose how many inquiries have come from the urgent category, like which inquiries have urgent tag. So those inquiries will come here automatically, right? So your teammate can even make the notes around that client. Okay, so this client can even buy a 4 BHK. What happened to my typing skills today? Apartment, right? So here your teammate is just making some notes around whatever he is getting to know about the client. Akshay knows about this customer, right? Let's say Akshay is your existing customer, and this teammate is writing that this customer already knows this prospect, so we can ask that customer to talk good things to the prospect about us. Let's say today is Wednesday, and you call the client, and client says, okay, can we have a meeting this Friday? Usually you or your teammate will forget about it, but here you can even set up the follow-up. Your teammate can set up the follow-up. So when your teammate clicks on this meeting this Friday, client says, let's say let's catch up on call or on a Google Meet this Friday. So your teammate can click on this, choose the calendar, choose the date, and even choose the time at which he needs to connect with this particular customer, right? 3 p.m. and even can add extra follow-up reminders. Let's say it's a 3 p.m. reminder, and your teammate will forget about it even at 3 p.m. after getting the WhatsApp reminder. Then in this system, your teammate can even add extra reminder. Let's say 3 hours before on Friday, let's say 3 p.m. was the time for follow-up. 12 p.m. automatically the teammate will get a WhatsApp that after 3 hours, you need to take this follow-up. So your teammate can add systematic follow-up here and can add the remarks around that particular follow-up. Had a call, had a meeting with customer, great guy, sharing proposal. Let's say your teammate can add a remark, and your teammate can even reschedule this particular follow-up, right? Let's say client says, okay, I'm sorry, I talked that we will meet on Friday, but now I'm busy, right? Or your teammate can even close this particular follow-up. Done, follow-up done, right? And this automatically goes to the closed follow-up, right? And complete history gets added here. And here in this follow-up tab, your sales team can see all the follow-ups which are open, which they need to do this week. What are the follow-ups which your team need to do today? What are the follow-ups which your teammate need to do this week? What are the follow-ups your teammate need to do this week? How many follow-ups your teammate has done, closed, right? So this is a system which never let your sales team forget about follow-up. Your teammate just keep taking the follow-ups systematically through calling, along with that through WhatsApp and email. How? So let's say your teammate has added the notes, created the follow-up. Here, there is a WhatsApp integration through our WhatsApp official API system. With WhatsFlow, this can be fully integrated, and automatically whenever you're clicking on send WhatsApp, your sales teammate can choose which particular message should go to the client and click on send WhatsApp, and automatically the WhatsApp goes from this particular system. All right. Automatically WhatsApp is going from this system. All right. So automated WhatsApp can go, and along with that, the best part, here a complete history is being maintained on how many WhatsApp messages your teammate has sent from this particular platform. Now you might be wondering, Kewal, I want to implement all this. What you can do, you can go to my website called automatebusiness.com. That's where you will get this option of join live masterclass. Go to my website automatebusiness.com, and that's where you will get this link of join live masterclass. Click on that, register for the upcoming Business Automation Masterclass, and that's where you will get this system, and I'll help you implement it in your business. Even through this automate sales platform, your teammate can send automated email as well. Hello from XYZ Consultants. Have a look at this. So your teammate want to send a WhatsApp email. So your teammate can just write email here, dear, and even your teammate can choose the templates, right? So you can create multiple templates and your teammate can choose which particular template your teammate want to send. Let's say, click on this, hello from XYZ client, and here your teammate can write dear, and your teammate forget about the client name. And do he need to go back? No, he has all these fields you can see here. Address, city, first name, last name. Your teammate clicks on this, and your teammate can just copy paste these particular tags. It automatically fetches the details. How is weather in, and let's say city. So city can be chosen from here, and we can just paste it. When can we meet regarding your recent requirements, right? And then your teammate's name, company name, right? And guess what? You can even have any kind of attachment here. You can attach even the proposal or something, and boom, the email is gone. Let me just open the email and show you. The email automatically goes from the system itself. The email is going right now, and now it is sent. You will just come here. You can see here, hello from XYZ, and hello may, instead of first name, it has picked dear Kewal. How is weather in city? It has picked Gurgaon. So real time, the variables are connected with the email, and again, you will get to know complete history of how many emails were sent, how many WhatsApp were sent automatically, right? And from here itself, your teammate can change the status, right? Your teammate has sent the proposal. So right now the inquiry was at the new inquiry stage. Your teammate can click on proposal. All right. Proposal sent today. Your teammate move the lead from this stage to this stage, right? And your teammate can even access the links and everything. And when your teammate, let's say, win the deal, all right, PO received, Deal done. Now it's time for, let's say, client onboarding. So your teammate want to assign this lead to the customer support executive. So your teammate can just quickly edit this lead and here can assign this to somebody else. Here in this option, your teammate can assign this lead to another teammate, and that teammate get automated WhatsApp that okay, now this inquiry has been received to you. Your teammates customer support teammate starts working and start doing the client onboarding as well. Here if I go back, you can see here that this lead has moved from new inquiry stage to, you can click on XYZ, yeah, new inquiry stage to, you can see here, PO received stage, right? Automatically it has moved from this stage to this PO received stage as well. Here all the follow-ups come, here all the products can come, you can add your products here, product name, HSN, category, unit price, and I know you might have various queries. That is the reason I invite you to my Business Automation Masterclass. After launching task delegation, which was a big hit in the industry for people who are struggling to manage the team, this is another launch where we are guiding on how can you automate your sales process. So after the success of task delegation, where you could easily delegate the task, you could create the recurring KRAs, you could give the task in using the voice note and send automated WhatsApp. Here, another product that we have launched recently is Automate Sales. This particular software can help you double your sales because it can definitely help you double your inquiry, double your conversion ratio. If you're getting 100 inquiries, if you're getting 10 customers converted, it can help you convert 20. And one of the reason is, there are not hundreds of reasons. The main reason is you can manage your custom pipelines here, right? You can see which inquiries at which stage, right? It becomes difficult if you don't have any kind of CRM system. Here it becomes easy. Okay, how many inquiries are in this stage? How many inquiries are in the next stage? It becomes easy. Second, you can delegate the inquiry to your teammate. So your teammate get a 360-degree view about the client, the requirement, can tag, can create follow-up, can send WhatsApp, can send email. And along with that, here you can maintain your products here, which client is interested in which product. And the biggest thing is WhatsApp integration, email integration, and you can create your custom pipeline according to your requirement. We have given ready-made templates. Along with that, you can integrate it with IndiaMart Trade India and Google from Facebook or any other application. Here, even we have this module where you can set up the notification. Whenever new lead is coming, new lead email notification can go to the teammate, new lead WhatsApp notification can go to the teammate, right? And we've integrated this system with email as well and with WhatsApp as well, right? So this is how this system helps. Here you're wondering, Kewal, I have inquiries in Excel. I know, don't worry. You can even upload all your Excel inquiries into this system. Here we provide a sample Excel file in which you can add your inquiries, upload CSV, and all the inquiries can come into your custom sales funnel. And it comes with an amazing dashboard as well. Let's say if I choose this particular pipeline, here you can see a complete analytics. How many inquiries are in the documentation stage, how many inquiries are in the location visit stage, and here you can see salesperson wise complete analytics is also covered, right? And it has been few weeks we have launched the Automate Sales platform, and the result which people are getting is next level, right? You can maintain all your contacts, you can maintain their birthdays, anniversary systems, and automated reminders as well. Even when you're giving access to your teammate, you can even manage their roles as well, right? Which teammate will see which feature, which teammate can send WhatsApp, all the details. So this is how Automate Sales help you automate your business. Tell me quickly in the comment box, if you need this application, type I want in the comment box. Hit the subscribe button, because in this YouTube channel of Automate Business, you will see these kind of revolutionary tools which can change the way business owners scale their business. And I invite you to join my upcoming workshop. You can go to automatebusiness.com and register for my upcoming business automation workshop as well. Go to the automatebusiness.com, and this is where you will see join live masterclass. Click on that and you can attend my upcoming workshop as well. So I hope you thoroughly enjoyed on how Automate CRM application work. All right. Now, if you want to get the access of it, go ahead, register for our upcoming workshop where I'll give you the access of Automate CRM application and you can get started. And here you will even see the option of creating your account in task delegation as well. So here, when you go to Automate Business, you will have an option to get started. You can click on that and you can create your account and even get a 7 days trial of task delegation and of Automate CRM as well. All right. And in the live class, actually, we help you implement this entire system. So I hope you enjoyed this thoroughly. Look forward to help you automate your sales process and 10x it with the power of system. Thank you so much. All the best.